Today's headlines from March 20 from Rahimi Law Firm PC, powered by freshnews.ai. Couples who treat marriage-based immigration as an operator-style project mitigate risk, compress timelines, and protect family unity. Today's signal: a project-style immigration roadmap is a structured way to manage marriage-based immigration petitions and keep family plans aligned with USCIS process milestones. This approach organizes marriage-based immigration family unity goals, documentation interview readiness tasks, and legal fees into one dated plan that can be tracked and adjusted. Treated this way, support family-based immigration petitions fits into the same household planning as rent, childcare, and other non-negotiable commitments. Why it matters. Here are 4 takeaways. First, reduces missed deadlines and requests for more evidence by tracking dates and required documents in one place. Second, prevents unplanned legal costs by tying each USCIS process step to a clear budget line. Third, lowers interview risk by scheduling documentation interview readiness work as specific early tasks. Fourth, helps align travel, housing, and work decisions with realistic processing timelines. How it works in practice. Couples list most major step from initial consultation through green card approval, including expected USCIS process timelines. They assign dates, owners, and required documents to each step, such as joint financial records, photos, and communication history. They map expected legal fees and government filing fees to those steps and plug them into the household budget. Most few weeks, they review status, update dates based on new notices, and add any new evidence that supports a bona fide marriage. Before the interview, they run a checklist to confirm documents, practice core questions, and resolve any gaps. One practical adjustment: create a single shared timeline listing each immigration step, the documents needed, the planned payment date, and the person responsible. Then review it together for 30 minutes this week and correct any unrealistic dates. What to do next? Here are 4 takeaways. First, list all upcoming immigration milestones and notice dates in one calendar. Second, build a document checklist grouped by category such as identity, finances, housing, and relationship history. Third, match each step with a specific savings or payment plan in your household budget. Fourth, schedule a consultation to review your roadmap and adjust it to current USCIS process timing. You are listening to Rahimi Law Firm PC, News and Insights. Read more at rahimilawsers.com.